Bibingka is one of the many rice-based sweets from the Philippines, topped with salted egg and cheese. My uncle from the Philippines says that my bibingka recipe isn't the most authentic since most of the bibingka he's had is dry, and my recipe is moist and way better. Everyone I've baked bibingka for loves this recipe, especially my gluten-free friends. I'm using my trusty KitchenAid mixer and hammered glass bowl so you can see every step in this recipe. If you want to become a bacon fanatic like I became, you can get your own KitchenAid mixer and glass bowl in the links in the description below. Use the paddle attachment and start with 2 tablespoons of melted butter, then follow with half a cup of coconut sugar or any sugar of your choice. I don't make my bibingka very sweet, so feel free to bump up the sugar here if you wish. Beat those two together until well combined. Follow it with 1 1/3 cup of coconut milk, scraping the bottom with a spatula in case the sugar settles. At this point, you should add 2 eggs, but I completely forgot, so you'll see the eggs added on later. Add 1 cup glutinous rice flour and then 1 cup of normal rice flour. Now, despite its name, there's no gluten in glutinous rice flour, so it's completely safe for gluten-free folks to eat. Mix well, then scrape the sides of the bowl to pick up any remaining flour. Add 2 teaspoons baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon salt, and then mix again. Now here's the eggs I forgot earlier. Ideally, you'd want to combine all the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients together first, but I found that it's really no big deal in this recipe. Okay, now we're ready to bake. Traditionally, bibingka is cooked in clay pots. I'm using a large cast iron pan because it transfers heat evenly throughout the whole dish while it's cooking. This was part of a Dutch oven set, which is an awesome deal. Now, if you want to purchase your own, you can check out the links in the description below. This is my favorite part. Bibingka gets a wonderful flavor from banana leaves, so line the bottom of the pan with plenty of the banana leaves to cradle the batter. Pour all the batter on top of the leaves and bake this in a preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 20 to 25 minutes until the batter is cooked thoroughly. But wait, there's more! While that's baking, we'll prepare the toppings. Cut a salted egg in half, scoop it out, and slice it up. Set that aside and then pick a salty cheese of your choosing. I'm going full Filipino with Eden cheese. I've used Irish cheddar, Parmesan, American yellow, and they've all tasted great in bibingka. Completely up to you. You can also slice or shred the cheese, however you want it. After it's been baking for about 15 minutes, take the half-baked bibingka out of the oven and top it with a salted egg and cheese. Place it back in the oven until fully cooked. I don't put much effort in making my dishes look good, but believe me when I tell you, you will not be able to stop eating this bibingka. Eat it for breakfast, dessert, or as a snack alongside coffee or tea. Let me know in the comments below if you made this recipe, and again, the links for the baking supplies are in the description below if you want to get your own. Now start baking so you can have your own freshly made bibingka at home. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for more Filipino and island recipes. Bye!